Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Slack on Linux. So in order to install Slack on Linux we have to go into Firefox or different browser on the official website of Slack, and we will have to see the instruction of what we need to do basically. So I will type in Slack for Linux, and right now we have the slack.com site, Linux downloads, so we have to go into it. And right there we can download Slack from the Snap Store. I'm not gonna do it because it basically doesn't work by default on every distribution. On Ubuntu it will work, but I will use the second option, download deb app. So I will press on it, and as you can see there is my .deb file, so I have to wait for it to be downloaded. So it is completed, 82 megabytes. I will close my browser for now, and we have to go into terminal and we have to install it. How can we install it? We can install it by typing, first of all maybe we will move to the download section, it will be easier. And right now we have here our Slack deb file, and right now we have to type in sudo apt install. And it's very important to say that the sudo apt install will work only on the Ubuntu and Debian distribution. If you are using different distribution, you have to write here the comment that is attached to your system, basically that you are using to install things on your Linux distribution. So for example, if you are using Fedora, instead of sudo apt-get install, you have to use sudo dnf install, and on the different distribution you have to use your own comment. But the core works the same. You have to later type in dot and the slash, and you have to simply type in the name of your file that you downloaded before. So that slash, you are running this basically like a script, and you can fill that by pressing tab on your keyboard, and you can press enter. Right now you can you have to type in your password, of course, because you use sudo, and now we have to wait for it to be, for our installation to be finished. As you can see, it is finished. We can, I think, check by typing in Slack --version of our Slack. As you can see, it is 4.47.69, and right now we can launch it. How can we launch our Slack? We have two ways, basically by typing in Slack in our terminal, like this. We have to wait a bit, and our Slack is working. You can log in and use it without any problem. The second way is just going into the apps and pressing on the Slack icon right there, and again you can have to wait a bit, open it, and you can use it without any problem. So this is how you can install Slack on your Linux system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.